EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Bartlett here with your outlook for August 8th, 2019. For your Thursday, we're going to have a secondary cold front move through the region today. This is actually going to come through during the overnight hours, so we will be very warm today ahead of this frontal boundary, and temperatures will be well into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees in our far southeastern areas. So upper 80s generally elsewhere today, but we will have a west-southwesterly wind flow ahead of this. This is the secondary front, not to be confused with yesterday's front that came through that brought the scattered showers and thunderstorms. So there's the front right there. This comes through overnight. Out ahead of it, the global model's not showing much of anything here at all. Matter of fact, they're not showing anything. But we get over to the NAM, high-res future simulated radar. We're going to start this off at 3 p.m. You can see some isolated scattered activity. I think it's mostly going to be up in these areas up in here. Okay, so any activity that gets into our region will be in our far northwestern regions, but I would not be surprised, just like the NAM is suggesting, there could be an isolated shower or storm running well ahead of this line here. And this line is going to fall apart as it moves eastward, but you can see just some isolated stuff kind of hanging around the southern Poconos, Lehigh Valley. Wouldn't be surprised to see a quick shower or storm there ahead of that line, but as the line moves to the south and east, it's going to start falling apart as we get to evening. It's to 6 p.m. Here's 7, here's 8, and here is 9. It kind of goes away after that point. So not really expecting too much today in terms of stronger storms, certainly, but not really thunderstorms overall. So we have isolated chances in our forecast, a little bit higher here in the northeast PA region, which goes from right around the State College Williamsport area all the way over to Wayne and Pike County, and of course Mount Pocono. So these areas here are under the gun for an isolated, or a little bit more than isolated, maybe a scattered thunderstorm here late afternoon, early evening, but then that should wrap up and that goes away. The cold front moves through overnight. We're going to see a considerable difference in our weather over the next couple of days. We're going to have lower humidity. Temperatures are going to be lower as well. Nothing into the 70s just yet, unless you're up in the far northern regions, the Poconos. I think you're still above 80 degrees straight through this weekend, but it's another fantastic weekend coming up with mostly sunny skies. Here is Friday, and we are mostly sunny, here's Friday. We're mostly sunny here on Friday, and then Saturday we are also mostly sunny. Sunday we are also mostly sunny. Monday we are also mostly sunny. So we have a good stretch here. Sorry, that's Sunday. Here's Monday. And Monday is also mostly sunny. So we have a good stretch here of 4 straight days of mostly sunny skies, lower humidity. Temperatures will be kind of 80, 82, 84-ish for the next couple of days, depending on where you are. Again, further north across the Poconos, you might not get out of the 70s for highs. So it'll be very, very refreshing this weekend. Very nice weekend coming up, and that extends into Monday. Now, Tuesday, we are partly cloudy. Which doesn't really make too much of a difference. It just has a few more puffy clouds coming into the equation. But we have no precipitation here on Tuesday. Temperatures are going to increase on Monday, I forgot to mention that. So we'll be 82, 83-ish for the next couple of days straight through Sunday. Monday, we're going to increase the temperatures a bit, and it's going to be ahead of another frontal boundary that's going to move through on Monday night. So another dry front that's going to move through. So we're going to have temperatures creep up a little bit, mid to upper 80s in most locations here on Monday. Tuesday, we're looking at a system coming in the overnight. Here's the overnight period. That system might bring a few showers in the overnight period on Tuesday night, and that will continue into Wednesday with a few scattered showers possible. So we'll narrow this down when we get a little bit closer to it. It's just a weak wave moving through. Once that moves through, then we're dry again behind it. So one little blip middle of next week, just like we had this week, and not much else to speak of as far as precipitation goes. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is our outlook for August 8th, 2019. Have a great Thursday.